Now let's focus on the day itself. Whether you're at home, at someone else's house, or in hospital, these 3 tiny rituals are designed to bring a sense of peace and presence into the reality you're living, not the fantasy version. Ritual number 1, the 3 breath intentions. The 3 breath intention. It takes 90 seconds. Do this first thing, even if you're still in bed or sitting by a hospital bed. Take a slow breath in through your nose for a count of 4. Now hold that for a count of 4 and then through your mouth breathe out for the count of 6. On the second breath, place a hand on your tummy or your heart. Third breath, quietly set an intention for the day. Some examples. Today I choose enough, not perfect. Today I will notice one small moment of kindness. Today I give myself permission to feel what I feel. This takes less than a minute, but it changes how you enter the day, from bracing to gently choosing. Ritual number 2, the 10-minute sanctuary. Sometime during the day, build in a 10-minute sanctuary. This could be sitting outside with a cup of tea, standing at an open window, breathing in fresh air, sitting in the hospital bathroom stall with your hands over your face, letting yourself be still. In those 10 minutes, turn your phone to silent if it's safe to do so. Take at least 3 deep breaths and ask yourself, what do I need right now? Physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Is there one tiny thing I can do to honor that in the next hour? The answer might be drinking water, asking someone to take over for 5 minutes, letting yourself cry, or simply sitting in silence. This is not indulgent. This is nervous system maintenance. Ritual number 3, the one true thing, reflection. We do this at the end of the day. As the day winds down or before bed, try this. Name one hard thing about today and be brutally honest. I hated that we couldn't all be together. I felt invisible in that family conversation. I feel exhausted and sad. Name one moment of light, however small. Mum smiled when the music played. We laughed at that silly joke. I got 5 quiet minutes to actually breathe. Name one thing you're proud of. I advocated for what I needed. I chose a smaller plan that was realistic. I didn't ignore my own needs completely. This practice doesn't force toxic positivity. It holds the full picture. The grief and the glimmers, that's what true presence is.